Today, building predictive models from their data is still a challenge for domain experts. This led us to develop a new generation of automated machine learning software. With its unique way of handling small data and big data, it helps domain experts in need of a self-service modeling software to build predictive models, as well as data scientists looking to improve their productivity. Introducing TADA. Ease of use is at the heart of TADA. Building a model requires only a few steps. First, get your data. Select the target variable, explanatory variables, and if needed, handle missing values, categorical variables, and time series. Next, reduce variables to the most significant ones in one click. No need to handle outliers or aggregate variables. Then, build your model in one click. And ta-da! Then review performance metrics versus your business objectives and decide to select model. Or go back to your dataset and or list of variables to make adjustments. Finally, run your model on new data to get predictions. Building explainable models is as simple as hitting few clicks. It is no more an haute couture process, long, difficult, and expensive, but a ready-to-wear process, quick, accessible, and affordable to everybody. With TADA, enlighten your data.